There are California animals that need our help. Animals that inhabit our state that have been rescued. There is also a place in our state where these California animals come together and can be seen in all their natural beauty and grace. A place where Californians can witness, firsthand, the natural wildlife that inhabits their state and learn about their challenges and strengths. From displacement by fire to habitat changes, these animals have weathered the storm and deserve our help. Some of them are housed right now in a special rescue center. That place is the KAM Zoo in Bakersfield, California. Also known as the California Living Museum. Now you can support the KAM Zoo and also help the environment by eliminating the hazards of plastic bottles and the waste stream when you purchase our drinking water. Introducing Zoo Media Spring Water for the KAM Zoo. Pure clean water directly from Mount Shasta. The purest water you can buy, packaged in sustainable cartons that don't accumulate in nature and kill animals. And the best part, proceeds from your purchase are donated to the KAM Zoo and will directly help these animals. So step up, lend a hand and place your order today. www.zoomedia.org/KAMZoo